Hi folks, welcome to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. This evening we're going to talk about sound quality. When you listen to an LP vinyl record, it's analog. When you listen to a CD, it's digital. When you watch movies on a DVD, it's digital. And when you watch movies on VHS tapes, it's analog. Now, to compare each of the items, analog is a lot better than digital in sound quality and video quality. When you compare each of the items, you will get something different each time. Whether it's a DVD, a CD, or an LP vinyl record. You get good sound quality out of a vinyl record than you do on CD. You get better picture quality on VHS than you do on DVD. Now, each item is unique. But most of all, how are you doing? How is your family doing? Hope you and your family's doing well. Me and my family's doing pretty good. Enjoying the weather. Doing pretty good. Yesterday I got up, ate my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Spent time with my mom, my family, and friends. Watched movies. Got caught up on that. And tomorrow I'll show you the new items that I got, and then show you all the other items that I got here in the room. So without further ado, if you have any suggestions on what CD, DVD, LP record, or cassette you want to see, leave down in the comments and I'll show you those items. And if you have any questions about any of my items, leave it down in the comments and I'll tell you all about it. And without further ado, always be kind and true, and always have love in your heart, and always respect others, and always treat people with respect, and always make a friend if you can. And always remember to always like, favorite, subscribe if you're new to this channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.